is 88200558. So what I'm gonna do today, so I will explain the problem solved for psychometric charge. Okay, so for the question number 1 is given that the dry bulb temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and the wet bulb temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So find the relative humidity, the dew point temperature, and also the enthalpy. So we go through to the solution of question 1. So that the diagram of psychometric charge. So we can conclude for that charge. Okay, so the answer. So the given information from the question is dry bulb temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius, and wet bulb temperature, which is 20 degrees Celsius. So we got relative humidity is 68%. Dew point temperature, we got 17.8 degrees Celsius, and the enthalpy for question 1 is 58 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so we move on to the question 2. So question 2, given that the dry bulb temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and the wet bulb temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So find the relative humidity, the dew point temperature, and also the enthalpy. So we look at the solution for question 2, and we can conclude that so the information that given from the question is the dry bulb temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and wet bulb temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius. So we got that relative humidity is 69%, dew point temperature, which is 23.2 degrees Celsius, and the enthalpy of question 2 is 76 of kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, last but not least, we move on to the last question. Okay, so question 3. Given the dry bulb temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the wet bulb temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So the question is find the relative humidity, dew point temperature, and also the enthalpy. So we take a look for the solution of question 3. So we can conclude that okay, so the information that given from the question is dry bulb temperature, which is 35 degrees Celsius, and wet bulb temperature, which is 30 degrees Celsius. So we can conclude from the psychometric charge, we get for relative humidity, which is 70%. Okay, so for the value of dew point temperature is 28.5 degrees Celsius, and lastly the value of enthalpy for question 2 is 99.5 kilojoule per kilogram. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.